Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will share with you how to adjust sound or how to increase the volume in our video clips in Filmora. Okay, so here I used Filmora version 13.5. Okay, here is the my clip is this one is my clip. Okay, when I run this clip and audio not working properly. So what we need to do, we need to double click this video clip and then go to click this video clip and go to audio setting and audio. Okay, then what we will do here is the auto normalization. We click this one first, automatically normalize our video clip, and then what we need to do here, volume, we need to increase the volume. Okay, when we increase the volume, okay, then we can put 10, 8 is okay, I think. Okay, so then we need to click OK. Then we need to click OK. Okay, now our video clip picks up country. We can see that. See here? Yes, our level is going, volume level is increase here. So how do we increase our volume in video clip? Double click the video clip and then go to setting and audio, click and normalize, auto normalize button, and then we can adjust our volume. Yeah, how much you want. You can increase this one minus 12 decibel. So 8 is, I think, okay, 8 or 9. Okay, that's it. This is column name, our have duplicate or not. Okay, you can check. Increase the volume. And do SNS, we need to plant box plant. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.